the second video on how to set courses up in Moodle. Okay, so we've now created three categories: Maths, English and Science. Under each of the Maths and English category we've got two courses, Maths Year 7 and English Year 7. Let's have a look what the courses look like. Moodle automatically defaults you to a preset type of course. So we have the heading, we have topic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. So now we're going to talk more about this. This is a heading for every topic that we do, and we can edit the summary by clicking on the little icon here, and on some versions you'll see a pencil icon. If you click on edit the summary, Moodle will now take us into that editing box. Untick the use of the default section name and put in a name for it. We'll call it algebra. Down on this bottom we can put a description about the course itself, so you could copy a word text, paste it in here, or you can just write in as normal. This course teaches students about algebra. If you wish to, you can highlight and change the font, so we can have a heading, we can make it bold, center it, or you can even change colour. You can make a link, break the link, or add a picture. So for example, underneath that I might want to put a picture in, or a smiley for example, and I'll put a big grin, and you can see a little smiley there, and again you can center that. Save the changes. You can see algebra, this course teaches students about algebra, and there's my little smiley. It automatically defaults to a news forum. This is a useful tool for students to receive information about the course. So for example, on older students doing a long-term study, the teacher might want to put in a reminder about the closing dates. That will automatically then be emailed out to the students based on the email on the management information system. As well as being a way of being able to create information and send news, you can also add activity or resources. We'll come to that in a minute. I'm just going to go to topic 1. So this is where our lessons would be. Now it could be you might have 10 lessons doing algebra, or you might have topic 1 as algebra and include 4 lessons worth of work there, and topic 2 would be numbers, 4 lessons worth of work there. Or it could be that you decide to have all the lessons together in one topic and call it lessons. Topic 2 could be resources, topic 3 could be homeworks. It all depends on how you want to set it up. To change any of these headings, all you have to do is click on the little icon and it says edit the summary. In this case I'm going to go for week 1, because perhaps I might have 3 lessons with this particular group. So I'm going to untick the default section name, call it week 1 introduction, and again you've got the opportunity to include any sort of icons, labels and things like that. So I'm going to save the changes. So there we have week 1 introduction, and now perhaps we can start adding activities and resources. When you click on activity or resources, you'll see that we've got a whole range of things we can choose from. Now each one of these will be talked about in their own right, but the ones I think the teacher will be more looking for would be file or folders. And just like anything else, if you're just putting a single file in, perhaps a PowerPoint presentation, then click file. But if you're doing a PowerPoint presentation and adding a Word document or perhaps an Excel sheet, so anything more than 1 or 2 files, then you'd be better off putting a folder in and then insert the files in the folder. So for all you've got to do to insert something in is click a file. You get a very brief summary of what it's all about, and if you're still not sure, click on more help, add that resource. First of all, I need to give it a name, so this will be introduction to algebra, and yes, it does have a spell check. And then you'll see the thing files, click on the content files, or you, as it says there, you can drag and drop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a file, and you can get them from the server because Moodle will automatically go to your school server, or you can go to your drive and a Word document, choose that file, upload it, and then the file will be put into the content. Scroll down to the bottom, save and return, and when we go back to our course, you'll see Introduction to Algebra is the title of the file, and the Word file is there. Now that could be a PowerPoint or anything else. If at any time you want to go back and change the name, you've got the little pencil icon there to do that. You've got an edit button over here, and if you want to add another activity resource, you can include it there.